time now for our chart of the day on this Friday, and today we are talking about freight. It was really more like fright at the beginning of this year. You remember those shipping and logistics bottlenecks that made up so much of the talk over transitory inflation. Well, indeed, the cost of transporting stuff in containers over the air and also over the ocean actually going down as of the last few weeks. This is the Freightos Baltic Index, and it shows a decline in rates for 8 consecutive weeks, although, Akiko, we're still at levels about 4 times above pre-pandemic still.
And what's contributing to that decline? Is this about that demand starting to wane a little?
It's actually probably some of the supply chain issues and perhaps laborers maybe coming back to work, although whether or not the West Coast port negotiations throw that into flux again is another question. But specifically, if you take a look at different types of routes, the China, East Asia to North American West Coast cities were among the largest declines globally. If you're looking at geography, right, from point to point. So we know that the Asia to U.S. specific lines were very much clogged up, especially after the shutdowns in China earlier this year. But obviously the alleviation of that, perhaps a big contributor to this trend right here. So we'll see what happens. Maybe more declines. No more freight or fright. Freight. I always
I like that. Fright.
Yeah.
Or freight instead of fright.
It was a pun. Coming up on the